Hello, I am Stuart. Here in the video we will share the details for SteamVR error code 450. The error reads, "Cannot connect to host." As per our research, this error occurs when users try to connect SteamVR through Steam Link on devices like Quest 2 and Quest 3. Many users have reported that the issue started happening after the last SteamVR update. As per our research, the error typically appears when trying to launch Steam Link using Airlink or attempting to connect to a host PC. Now let's come to fixes for the error. Some users were able to fix the error by switching from the normal release to the beta version of Steam Link on MetaQuest. To do this, open the MetaQuest app. Go to Steam Link's details page. Change the release to beta, restart the app and check if the error persists. If your PC's Ethernet configuration is set to public, it may cause connection issues. Make sure your PC's network settings are set to private and that your PC is discoverable on the home network. To do this, open Network and Internet Settings. Click on Properties under your current connection. Set the network profile to private. If you're using a VPN, it may be interfering with the connection. So, try disconnecting the VPN and see if the error still comes. If the error persists, then some third-party antivirus programs may be blocking the SteamVR connections. If you have an antivirus other than Windows Firewall, try turning it off along with the built-in firewall and see if this resolves the issue. If the error still comes, then go to Steam Link settings and manually adjust the bandwidth and resolution settings. You can set the bandwidth rate to 50 megabits per second or 90 megabits per second. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.